I'm Vivian.
I am Jean.
I'm working in Hongdefa Machinery Company Limited for about 6 years, doing the international marketing work here.
Yeah, I'm Jean. I'm working in Hongdefa team for 10 years for international marketing.
Today our topic is the big project of Hongdefa this year, 2018.
Okay, let us first move on to the 250 tons per day maize flour mill machine in Angola. By the way, it is the first our maize milling machine in Angola.
Yeah, to be honest, it's the first bigger capacity maize milling machine in Angola. So all of us, our company, pays great attention to this project.
Yeah, I know, because our engineer are doing the technical drawings day and night for the customers' need for this plant.
In this design, we use European standard flour milling machine like stainless steel damper.
Oh,
Yeah.
2 layers steel stainless one.
Yes, two. Yes, in fact, it's two. And the dynamic roller mill.
Okay, it is the automatic one.
Yes, fully automatic.
Okay.
Yes, two parts. All can work. Yeah.
Okay. How about the plant sifter? What is the capacity of the plant sifter?
The plant sifter capacity is 10 to 12 tons per hour per seat.
Okay.
And we also use automatic packing machine and the PLC, the computer control system.
Okay. It means all the machines will be controlled by the computer.
Yes, and for customer it will be very convenient.
Okay. The high technology. Okay. So, for the raw material of the maize, how can we store this before we processing it?
Yeah, we also provide with this client for silo.
What is the capacity of the silo?
It's two sides, 500 ton. In total, it's 1,000 ton.
Okay, that is great.
Yeah.
So after the silo, the maize will go to the working shop. So what is the dimension of the working shop?
The workshop is also provided by our Hongdefa. It's a steel structure workshop. The length is 45 meters and the height is 15 meters and the height is 12 meters.
12 meter. 12 meter is for wall height or for roof height? Which one?
It's for wall height.
Oh, wall height.
Yeah, for the roof height it's a little bit higher than this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. In African marketing, with different countries, with the different customers need have the different inquiry for the final products.
Yeah. Hongdefa for creating value for customers. Create wealth for national brand.